We're on a bit of a mission to build a cubby, like a teepee style. I think that's what we're going with. It's cold out here, but little mister is very keen, so I'm trying my hardest not to express out loud how cold I am. I've done a few laps now collecting sticks, so I have warmed up, but and it is big. Look at it. So it's not yeah, so I think he started on the building and I'm still on the collecting. We started off by clearing a bit of space because there was quite a few pine cones and leaf debris around. And then we got our sticks, we got our longest ones, and we tried to make a main structure first, and then we added the smaller sticks onto it. We didn't have a lot of large sticks, so it wasn't an ideal teepee, but we did what we could with what we had, and we had a bit of fun along the way. So most of the sticks are actually gum trees, from gum trees that were out the back of this little pine foresty area. So I had to actually walk quite a fair way, and most of it had a baby on my hip. So I was going one-handed collecting sticks. That was probably not as practical as if I had two hands to be able to bundle up a heap all at once. But anyway, made it work. And all the walking backwards and forwards warmed me up after being so freezing when I first arrived. As you can see, it started taking shape. It's only small and we didn't fill in all the gaps to all the sides, but it's cute, and it was a fun little project that kept us entertained for about an hour or so.